just want to become most current in the world and Texas A&M University at Corpus Christi. And today I will be presenting on the biology and school for the practical question. I want to tell you a little bit about me. I'm Jackson Elementary that I am working for teaching as a first grade biology teacher. And I want to tell you about my teaching philosophy statement. Here I say purpose to make a sensitive machine any opportunity to be the students. And the reason why I answered is the program was in order for me to implement technology in order for my students to be successful and move on to other levels. Importance of all the philosophers will also have contributed to the teach and giving up methods that is a differentiated for student success. The reason why I entered this course was in order to learn how to implement all the resources needed for students in the class. Now, take me to my curriculum here. As you can see, we have some young people rejected. Listening to the study, but you can see us looking at from there, I went to Texas A&M, and like I say, perfectly taking their position as a teaching design and technology. It's also the professional development is making number two. And the very purpose that you see university and something that has to do with the professional technology. As I started teaching, I didn't know much of so these were some of the trainings that I decided to business so that we can the most important to deliver to the students. These are examples of work that I made based on the Canada. It was created for construction design purpose. As you can see here, I'm reviewing the analysis of the model. And here it states that this is the the teachers are not allowed to integrate the technology resources of the district partners. Given the times that they said teachers are overwhelmed with the tasks that the district is asking to and to alleviate this teachers to follow. The design part is the description of the program that was implemented. And here it states the objectives that they needed to teachers in those resources for students to say. Which have only channel in that case the business students. And importantly, matching with design levels in our objectives. Taking the action on the data. Here is where discipline. Teachers are going to learn what they talk about into the community. We started with the decision together and we did our knowledge, content, what their product is, and how the students will be going to be doing it. And all of this is with integration. On the implementation part, the city is a little bit hands-on. So we mostly listen in conjunction with the team, the teacher to deliver the lesson what's necessary for each student. Yes, probably the results of the teachers rematch today's lesson, and most important, okay, the students were successful in it. So here's a percentage of the teacher's salaries working for the technology. So here is the example. And model is so system that is necessary to follow in creation of awareness in technology. So this is one of the examples because it's taken one of the courses. To showcase some of the learning aspects. I think as you can see, this is something that we call literacy. And this project was designed in very basic portrait visual illustrators with fluency. It uses several technology resources. Here I can use television as an attention there. Also implemented the part closed captioning. We also use smart logo to make it hands-on. And here I have a QR code where students were able to the application and the and I also use these programs to record my students' fluency. And one of the most important ones that I use here is this one that is called Station. And this is a program that is district. I'm going to take you to the little sites that I created. Station instructions of project readiness design on the station. Study station and use an example of how my students used it. The flashcards was also used. And here is how the smart notebook was used. There was pre-assessment. Students did before and after assessment. The other one that I want to showcase is this project, and again, it's another one for the CBCs, and the project that was created some of my places, and also created the American poster, so I'm going to take into it, and also created the rule signs, you can see here. It was designed for teachers to and do confidence and report themselves in knowledge in technology, or to just get ideas of how they implement it. Now I want to show you my future ideas for what I want to do. And here you can listen more. To go into the big vision and the big vision of the transformation. And what I want to do is now where we did that students with great success. Here let's see how it will be the vision of the small model. And what I want to do the future is using the software to teach new teachers of how to integrate fundamental programming. This is also the software that is purchased by the district, and our hope is to teach other teachers how to integrate this technology and also how to make it hands-on, and to implement it and how to implement it. Now I'm going to show some preparation activities that I did besides presenting to teachers of the campus program. I was part of the substitute program this year, where I presented to other educators about education and technology. It is a great experience for me. This is the first time that I presented in front of the educators represented to them. Because the integration of technology and how it has been impacted in my class. Here, we also have double that in the progress I was able to be to teach magazine. I presented my school and I was able to show many teachers how it has changed the way that I teach, how it has changed the classroom management and how is having because of all of this technology students are eager to know improvements in their reading, not only the reading in math and subjects, students are now able to be creative learners, and this is all what is about in the integration of technology. Lastly, I want to show a graphic also created here. Hopefully, when I present to other teachers, I will ask them to describe the ways that they integrate technology and they create a world of how they feel about technology. And the purpose of this is to get ideas for other teachers, and maybe by having this, we get more resources of technology that can be used in the classroom. And this is it for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Showcase one of the major projects that I created for my graduate program. First, I really implemented the model, and as you can see here, I started to see how much teachers knew and what types of technology resources they use it. This one, design and the development. I created my presentation. I could teachers to this is what they're going to I also created as an attention there. And as you can see, there was a lot of this model where I told the teachers and explain the importance of going to recognition level and the importance of using technology in order for the teachers to score high on their teachers or T-test. Here's an example of how technology was implemented in my class, and this is the